Let me ask you something. If you receive a message from the income tax department, it's an enquiry, a summons, a survey, or a search. Most people don't know the difference, and because of that, they panic unnecessarily, or worst, respond incorrectly. But here is the truth. Each of these actions has a completely different meaning, powers, and consequences under the law. And understanding the differences can help you stay calm, respond correctly, and avoid serious legal trouble. So, in today's episode of Tax Talk by TNC Sridhar, we'll clearly understand the difference between enquiry, summons, survey, and search. What power the department has in each cases, how evidence is collected is used in assessment, and most importantly, do's and don'ts for taxpayer. Hello everyone, I am TNC Sridhar and welcome back to Tax Talks, where we simplify taxation in the most practical way. Today's topic is extremely important because not every communication from the department is a raid. Let's understand the differences clearly. Let's start with the most basic level, enquiry. An enquiry is usually a preliminary verification process. The department may ask for clarifications and clarification on transactions, additional documents, explanation for mismatches. For example, if your income reported does not match with the assessee information system or the Form 26AS, you may receive an enquiry. Important points. It's not serious action. It's an opportunity to clarify and correct. So there is no need to panic. Just respond properly. What is summons? Next comes summons. This is more serious than an enquiry. A summons means you are legally required to appear or provide documents or evidences. The powers here are similar to that of a civil code. You may be asked to appear before the officer, give a statement on oath, submit documents. Ignoring a summons can lead to penalties or legal consequences. So summons must always be taken seriously and reported to properly. Any statement given on oath, if found to be untrue or false in the future, may attract the provisions of law dealing with telling of a lie on oath or concealing the truth. Now let's understand survey. A survey is usually conducted at a business premises, office locations. Places of residence can be surveyed only if any documents or assets relating to business are kept at the residence. In that case, also the proceedings will be confined to only the documents and assets relating to the business. The purpose is to verify the books of accounts, check cash book stock, ensure proper compliance. The important difference between a search and a survey is that in survey, officers have limited powers. They generally cannot seize the assets, but they can impound the documents, take it in their custody for verification. No cash can be seized. It is important, it is more about verification, not enforcement. The statement recorded during the survey is not a statement on oath. Now comes the most important action, search. This is what people commonly call as raid. It happens when the department believes income is undisclosed, assets are hidden, books of accounts are manipulated. During a search, an officer can enter premises, seize incriminating documents and unexplained or undisclosed assets. This is a high-level enforcement action and a serious consequences. Now, an important question, what happens to the evidences collected? Whether it is a document from an enquiry, a statement from summons, data from survey, seized material from survey. All this is used in assessment proceedings, where in due opportunity will be given to explain the evidences found or collected during the course of the proceedings. The department may recalculate income, add undisclosed income, issue tax demands, and in serious cases, levy penalties, initiate prosecutions. So, evidence collected becomes the foundation of tax assessment. Now, let's look at the most important part. What should you do? Stay calm and cooperate. Provide accurate information. Maintain proper records. Consult your tax professional wherever needed. Don'ts. Do not ignore notices or summons. Do not provide false information. Do not panic or act impulsively. Do not hide or destroy evidences. Do not try to bring any external pressure on the officers concerned or threaten them. Remember, right response at the right time can prevent bigger problems. So, let's quickly summarize. Enquiry is basic clarification. Summons is a legal requirement to appear. Survey is for business verification. And search is serious enforcement action. Understanding these differences helps you to stay prepared and confident. In the next episode, we move to a very positive and practical topic: benefits for the retired pensioners, pensions, and best retirement plan. We'll cover the tax benefits for senior citizens, pension calculation, best retirement investment options. Fear comes from lack of knowledge. Law protects honest taxpayers. If this video reduced your fear, like the video, subscribe to Tax Talk by TNC Sridhar. Share it with awareness helps everyone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode on Thursday, 12:30 p.m. Until then, stay aware and stay tax smart.